Japanese peach is juicy and delicious, but peeling them is a little bit tricky. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to peel the Japanese peach. No fuss, no mess, all you need is a knife and you're going to have a perfectly peeled peach in no time. Let's get started. First things first, give your peaches a good wash and pat them dry. Take your knife and gently place it into the natural line that runs down the peach. Just like when you're cutting an avocado, cut until you feel the knife hit the seed. And cut all the way around. Rotate the peach 90 degrees and make another cut. Repeat the process 2 more times and keep going until you make the 8 equal sections. Here comes the fun part. Hold your peach in your hand and gently twist it. This will help loosen the flesh from the seed. And be careful not to squeeze too hard. This little twist also makes the skin easier to peel off. Now let's peel off the skin. If your peach is perfectly ripe, the skin should come off with no trouble at all. Isn't that easy? And here's the tips. Make sure your peaches are just ripe enough. If your peach is too ripe, they might get a bit squashy, so this method works best when the peaches are not too soft, but not too firm, but fragrant. And there you have it. No need to mess around with hot water or ice bath, just a knife and a little twist and you're all set. When peaches are in season, their aroma is just irresistible. You want to enjoy at their best, and now you can enjoy with no mess and in no time. Give this method a try and impress your friends with your peach peeling skills of Japan. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!